Flying a private jet to 99% of the world, that sounds like a luxurious, enjoyable, even extravagant activity. But to the aviation owners, brokers, and other industry professionals in general aviation, we know the process to be anything but luxurious and enjoyable. For most, it's a difficult, long, and arduous project that takes almost as much attention and emotional stress as a lawsuit. Why is that? I'm Jake Bengelsdorf of Assent Aeronautics. We've been operating our own aircraft for decades, safely and enjoyably, largely in credit to our world-class flight department procedures and data-driven forecast expenses, which is how private aviation should be handled. Now, we aim to bring the same excellence and transparency to aircraft transactions through our Platinum Aircraft Auctions. Each quarter, including this one, we will hold a luxury aircraft auction for serious buyers and serious sellers with straightforward processes, contracts, and closing procedures that will put excitement and clarity into the buying and selling process. Our Q4 2019 Assent Platinum Aircraft Auction will be held at the Harrison FBO at Spinks Airport in Fort Worth, Texas on Saturday, December 14th. Our lineup includes a number of quality aircraft serious about selling, including our partner Guardian Jet's 2014 Challenger 605 that I'm actually sitting in right now. For more about this aircraft, the rest of our lineup, to register to bid, or to buy a VIP access badge, visit our website, assentauctions.com. We and our partners look forward to serving you at auction.